In this video, we'll talk more about Endianness. Little Endian or Big Endian. The major difference is the byte order, in which each byte of the object is stored in memory. On Little Endian machines like Intel 32-bit or 64-bit, the least significant byte is stored at the lowest address. The lowest address is the address closest to the zero. On Big Endian machines, the most significant bit is stored at the lowest address. Now let's simplify it further. Here we are having an example of 32-bit. In 32-bit, there are 32 bits and total 4 bytes, as 1 byte is made up of 8 bits. So here we have byte 0, byte 1 and byte 2 and byte 3. Each byte contains 8 bits of memory. Each bit can either contain 1 or 0. So least significant byte here is byte 0 and most significant byte here is byte 3. In Big Endian, we have byte 3 or most significant byte at lower address. As you can see, the direction of address is in increasing order. We are moving from lower address to the higher address. In Little Endian, we are having byte 0 or the least significant byte at lower address, or in simple manner, in this stack at Big Endian, first byte 3 is stored, then byte 2 is pushed, then byte 1 is pushed, and then byte 0 is pushed. While in Little Endian, first byte 0, then byte 1, then byte 2, and then byte 3. So in Little Endian, byte 3 is at the higher address. So whenever the stack pops up, the byte 3 is gonna pop, then byte 2, then byte 3, and then byte 0.